not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
1927 Ford Track Roadster Classic Open-Wheel Hot Rod. Asking price, $30,000. Location, Fairfield, Ohio, approximate. A beautifully built 1927 Ford Track Roadster that delivers true vintage hot rod character with timeless style. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a clean black interior, this open-wheel Roadster captures the raw look and feel of early American racing-inspired builds. Owned for approximately 9 years, the car has been well cared for and thoughtfully maintained. The manual transmission provides an engaging driving experience, making it ideal for enthusiasts who appreciate hands-on performance and classic mechanical feel. With its lightweight roadster design, aggressive stance, and traditional track roadster appearance, this vehicle is perfect for car shows, weekend cruising, or adding a standout piece to a classic collection. A rare opportunity to own a true pre-war style hot rod that continues to draw attention wherever it goes.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1973 International Scout Pickup, Big Block Powered. Asking price, $18,250. Location, Knoxville, Tennessee.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A solid and well-sorted 1973 International Scout pickup finished in blue with a black interior. Power comes from a strong and reliable 454 Chevrolet Big Block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering excellent torque and dependable performance. The drivetrain is turnkey and ready to drive, making it a great option for cruising, weekend adventures, or light off-road use. 1965 Plymouth Fury 3. Price, $28,000. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Wichita, Kansas. A beautifully restored 1965 Plymouth Fury 3, finished in striking green with a complementary tan interior. This classic American muscle car features a powerful 383 V8 engine paired with the legendary Auto 727 torque flight transmission, delivering smooth shifts and strong performance. The car underwent a 100% rotisserie restoration, ensuring every panel, trim piece, and mechanical component is in excellent condition. With just 1,000 miles since restoration, it drives like new and is ready for show, cruise, or collect. 1941 Willys Coupe, high-end Outlaw build. Asking price, $119,000. Location, LaGrangeville, New York, approximate. Status, for sale or trade. Offered here is an exceptional 1941 Willys Coupe built to the highest standards. This is a true top-tier Outlaw car. No shortcuts, no compromises. The vehicle sits on a professionally built Outlaw chassis and features a brutally strong 871 supercharged 406 Ci small block Chevrolet, loaded with quality internals and topped with brand new billet FST carburetors. The overall condition is outstanding, inside and out. Fit, finish, and mechanicals reflect a no-expense spared approach. The hood is included with the car. This Willys has the look, sound, and performance. 1933 Ford Coupe, 2-door. Price, $25,000. Mileage, 7,148 miles. Location, New Milford, Connecticut. A striking 1933 Ford 2-door coupe that blends classic hot rod style with modern comfort and performance. Finished in bright yellow with a clean beige interior, this coupe stands out instantly while maintaining timeless appeal. Powered by a strong 383 Chevy engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth, confident performance that's easy to enjoy on the street or highway. Featuring suicide doors, power windows, and a Downs fiberglass body, the car offers both custom craftsmanship and everyday drivability.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1976 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T Classic Hatchback 2D. Price, $1, best offer/trade listing. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Port Jefferson, New York. A beautifully restored 1976 Volkswagen Beetle that blends timeless classic styling with modern performance upgrades. Featuring a 1.8T engine and a manual transmission, this Beetle delivers an exciting driving experience while retaining its iconic charm. Finished in classic green with a clean black interior, every detail reflects. 1929 Ford Model A Coupe. Price, $35,000. Mileage, 1,000 miles. Location, Wichita, Kansas.
It's not a game, it's a roadster.
A stunning 1929 Ford Model A Coupe, fully built for performance and style by a professional race car driver in 2018. Finished in bold red with a sleek black interior, this steel-bodied coupe combines timeless 1920s design with modern engineering. The car sits on a brand-new frame from Speedway Motors and features upgrades throughout to ensure both reliability and show-quality appeal. With only 1,000 miles since completion, it is essentially a new build that runs flawlessly and looks immaculate. Equipped with an automatic transmission and meticulously maintained, this Model A Coupe is perfect for collectors, weekend cruising, or car shows. With a clean title and excellent condition, it offers a rare opportunity to own a turnkey classic with modern performance and vintage. 1922 Ford T-Bucket Roadster. Price, $18,000. Mileage, 10,714 miles. Location, Alba, Texas. A professionally built 1922 Ford T-Bucket Roadster that captures the raw spirit of classic American hot rodding. Finished in a deep burgundy, the car carries a timeless, aggressive look that never goes out of style. Powered by a strong high-performance drivetrain and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers reliable power and an easy, enjoyable driving experience. With just 10,714 miles, this T-Bucket has been driven enough to prove its dependability while remaining clean and well cared for. Built to cruise, show, and enjoy, it offers open-top freedom, classic hot rod attitude. 1928 Ford Model A5 Window Street Rod. Price, $34,500. Mileage, 300 miles. Location, Edgewood, Texas. A beautifully built 1928 Ford Model A5 Window Street Rod that perfectly blends classic steel body craftsmanship with modern V8 performance. Featuring an all-steel body finished in eye-catching yellow, this street rod stands out with timeless hot rod attitude and show-quality presence. Power comes from a strong 350 Ci V8 equipped with an Edelbrock carburetor and intake, paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission for effortless cruising. With only 300 miles since completion, the build is essentially fresh and ready to enjoy. The brown interior complements the exterior perfectly, adding a warm, classic touch. Built for cruising, car shows, and pure enjoyment, this Model A is a turnkey street rod that delivers style, performance, and craftsmanship in one unforgettable package. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 Convertible, 2D. Price, $12,500, firm. Mileage, 94,000 miles. Location, Rockwall, Texas. A classic 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible offered as a solid project car with great potential. Finished in red with a black interior, this Fairlane carries timeless mid-60s styling and the open-top appeal collectors love. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered drivetrain, it runs and drives, making it an excellent foundation for restoration or customization. With 94,000 miles and a clean Texas title, the car is complete and free of major damage, providing peace of mind for the next owner. Priced firm at $12,500, this Fairlane 500 is a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to bring a classic convertible back to its former glory or build something uniquely their own. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price: $14,500. Mileage: 23,000 miles. Location: Kyle, Texas. A show-stopping 1923 Ford T-Bucket hot rod built to command attention at every stoplight. Finished in vibrant blue with matching interior, this one-owner T-Bucket packs serious performance with a 383-stroker V8 under the hood, delivering aggressive power and a thunderous exhaust note. Automatic transmission makes it easy to handle, while the classic T-Bucket styling and polished details ensure it turns heads wherever it goes. With 23,000 miles, it's well-driven but meticulously maintained, offering a perfect blend of vintage hot rod aesthetics and modern performance. Ideal for collectors, weekend cruisers, or anyone looking for a head-turning, ride-ready classic with personality and muscle.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.
1933 Ford Hot Rod Custom Roadster. Price: $8,500. Mileage: 123,456 miles, TMU. Location: Wichita, Kansas. This 1933 Ford Custom Hot Rod Roadster is a beautifully built classic that combines vintage American hot rod styling with dependable modern drivability. Powered by a strong V8 engine and paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this Roadster delivers an enjoyable driving experience whether cruising around town or heading to car shows. The exterior is finished in a clean and sharp gray paint that highlights the timeless lines of the 1976 Ford Pinto drag car. Price: $9,000. Location: Clinton, Pennsylvania. A wild and unique 1976 Ford Pinto built with drag racing in mind, offering serious attitude in a lightweight classic package. Featuring a 1971 front end, the car has been completely stripped down and professionally custom painted to create an aggressive, race-ready look. Street-titled yet clearly designed for performance, this Pinto blends classic Ford styling with dragstrip personality. Ideal for racers, collectors, or enthusiasts looking for something truly different, it stands out as a purpose-built machine that's ready to turn heads at the track, car shows, or anywhere bold builds are. 1933 Ford Victoria, Vicky. Price: $27,000. Mileage: 3,925 miles. Location: North Smithfield, Rhode Island.
It's not a game, it's a roadster.
An exceptional 1933 Ford Victoria, often referred to as a Vicky, blending classic elegance with modern convenience. Finished in bold red with a clean gray interior, this beautifully built classic offers timeless style paired with a smooth automatic transmission. With only 3,925 miles, it remains in excellent condition and has been carefully maintained. Equipped with modern touches such as suicide doors with keyless entry and power door operation, it delivers both classic charm and everyday.
Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you.